The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. A Vietnamese adaptation of the beloved French classic, this crème brûlée swaps the traditional vanilla bean for fresh ginger root. The result is a silky, chilled custard infused with a warm, aromatic ginger fragrance, crowned with a crackling crust of caramelized sugar, a dessert that bridges two culinary worlds in every spoonful. Preparation time, 15 minutes, plus 15 minutes standing, plus 2 hours chilling. Cooking time, 35 minutes. Custard, cream, 2 cups. In fresh ginger root, peeled, then halved and bruised, 2 1/2. Egg yolks, 3. Superfine castor sugar, 1/4 cup. Caramelized sugar topping. Sugar, 4 tablespoons. Equipment, oven-proof bowls, 4. Large baking dish, 1. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prep the ginger. Peel a 2 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger root. Halve it lengthwise and bruise each half by pressing down firmly with the flat side of a knife blade. This releases the aromatic oils and allows the ginger flavor to permeate the cream more deeply. Step 2. Set up the equipment. Select 4 oven-proof bowls, each about 4 inches in diameter. Find a large baking dish deep enough to hold all 4 bowls comfortably with space between them. This will serve as your water bath during baking, ensuring gentle, even heat for a smooth, crack-free custard. Step 3. Separate the eggs. Separate 3 eggs, reserving only the yolks in a large mixing bowl. Save the whites for another use. Let the yolks come to room temperature while you prepare the cream. Step 4. Measure out the sugar. Measure 1/4 cup of superfine castor sugar for the custard base and set aside 4 tablespoons of plain sugar for the caramelized topping. Cooking steps. Step 5. Infuse the cream. Pour 2 cups of cream into a saucepan and add the bruised ginger halves. Heat over low heat, stirring from time to time until the mixture almost comes to a boil. Watch carefully so it does not boil over. Remove the pan from the heat, cover it, and set aside for 15 minutes to let the ginger infuse its flavor into the cream. After steeping, remove and discard the ginger pieces. Step 6. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Mix the custard. In the large bowl containing the egg yolks, add the 1/4 cup of superfine castor sugar and mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Gradually pour in the ginger-flavored cream, whisking continuously to combine everything well. Important: do not beat the mixture vigorously, this would incorporate air bubbles into the custard and compromise its silky texture. Step 8. Bake in a water bath. Pour the custard mixture evenly into the 4 oven-proof bowls. Place the bowls in the large baking dish. Carefully fill the baking dish with boiling water, pouring it around the bowls until the water reaches halfway up the height of the bowls. Transfer the baking dish to the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the custard is just set in the middle. It should have a gentle wobble but not be liquid. Step 9. Cool and chill. Remove the bowls from the water bath and set aside to cool. Once the custards are cool enough to handle, transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour. The custard needs to be thoroughly chilled so the surface can withstand the high heat of caramelization without melting. Step 10. Caramelize the sugar. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar evenly over the top of each chilled custard. Place the bowls under a preheated broiler for about 1 minute, watching closely until the sugar blisters and turns a golden brown crust. Alternatively, use a kitchen torch. Hold it at a 45-degree angle about 6 inches from the surface and move it back and forth slowly until the sugar melts and browns evenly. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool briefly so the sugar hardens into a crisp shell. Step 11. Final chill and serve. Return the custards to the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 more hour before serving. This final chill lets the caramelized crust fully set and the flavors meld. Serve cold, cracking the golden sugar shell with the back of a spoon to reveal the creamy ginger-infused custard beneath.